In this video, I'm gonna give you the top 7 winning products to sell right now in your Shopify store in the next couple of weeks and months so you can absolutely crush it. If you like Shopify, you like dropshipping, you like building businesses online, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button down below, and let's get to the products. All right, the first product up are outdoor camping and cooking hardware. So for example, we have this ultralight aluminum camping cookware right here. It's sold more than $60,000. And I think the outdoor niche is one that not many people in the dropshipping space and the Shopify space take advantage of, specifically in spring, summers, those months of the year when people are going camping, are going and doing more outdoor sports instead of selling them in winter. This one is definitely a good one, has sold a lot, and the order volume seems very consistent. You can see the video right here. You can basically cook anywhere you go. People love camping in the woods. They love going to the forest with their family, especially when they have time off, although we still have lockdowns all over the world. You have a nice set here, but not only this particular product, this category in general is really good to sell during the months of March all the way to around September, October, when it starts to get really cold again. So definitely a niche that if you're looking for something to sell, maybe you're even passionate about camping and outdoor products yourself, definitely a good one to consider. The next product up, more of a general product, a product that is selling a lot for dropshipping stores, and you can definitely take advantage of it if you're selling a general store or really any sort of dropshipping store that you might have, is a self-adhesive towel holder rack, and you put it in your bathroom. And it looks like this. You can put it anywhere. You can take it out. What happens with towel racks and racks in general in the bathroom is that you actually have to nail them to the wall. This one in particular, you can just put it anywhere. They have different sizes. You can clean it very easily. It's high quality as well. This particular brand is pretty good on AliExpress. You can put it in your kitchen as well. So it's a product for home decor, home improvement, home products. They tend to do very well. A lot of my students have done well in the home niche, so I think it has a ton of potential. Has sold more than $20,000 here on Salesforce, on AliExpress. So definitely a product that can do 6 figures or more if you have this particular type of audience. If you're going to target this audience, if you're targeting beauty or you have a pet store or a kid store, don't go and sell some random product that makes no sense. Sell it if you have a general store or if you have a store that it makes sense to sell home and bathroom products. The next one up, a product but also a category, are lighting products for the home. Definitely a big category for a lot of my students. This one in particular has sold more than $31,000 right here. And you can put these lights and they are motion censored. So you can put them underneath your bed or in different parts of the house. It could also be good for a kid's room or a baby room. This could be a pretty good one. And whenever they detect that someone is walking by them, for example, you could also put it on your wardrobe. They detect motion, somebody using it, boop, they illuminate. This is a really nice modern product for the home. Very high quality as well. Make sure you get a really good supplier. If you want suppliers and you want to find a dropshipping agent for your store, make sure to check the link in the description. We have another video on that for any scenario all over the house. Also for camping, so you could even sell it for people that are interested in outdoor products. Definitely a great one that is going to do very well in the next couple of weeks. And it's also doing very well for big stores like Arc'teryx and other giant ones. For example, I can pull up Arc'teryx, which is a multi-7-figure store. They're actually selling this particular one. So if we click on here and we go to motion sensor light right there. And it's the same one that we just saw here. Right there. And this particular store, if you go to Salesforce, even though Salesforce is not 100% accurate most of the times when it comes to analyzing stores, it said that it's making around 3 million to 7 million per month, which is usually about what this store is making, around 2 million to 3 million a month. So definitely a killer store that is selling this particular type of product. A lot of potential there. For the next one up, also a product and a category, gardening products. In the summer, in spring, and in the months that are really warm all over the world, except Australia, these products tend to do very, very well. Gardening products, especially for people that are a little bit older. You can also sell for people that are actually gardening, but they're older, 60, 70, and they can't move their hands as well, or they're not strong enough to actually cut a lot of these plants. You can use this grafting tool for the garden, and you can basically cut like that. You can make them shorter, fix up your garden, fix up your trees. You don't need to break them with your hands. You don't need to use any special tools. Just a small clip, up, up. Pretty inexpensive also, has already made 90,000 here, so a multi 6-figure product potential. that this product has. Definitely a big one to consider. 19,000 people adding it on wish list here on AliExpress. Garden products have done very well for my students in the past, so I think it can be a great one for you. Before we keep going, really quick, I just want to congratulate this guy. You comment on all of my videos, but I can't pronounce your name. I think it's Marios from Greece, Thessaloniki. You are the winner of our $0 to $300,000 case study that I did with my student Johnny. We show you the ads, the strategy, absolutely everything behind that case study, how he got to that point. If you want to win it and you are watching this video, make sure to comment down below where you're watching me from, what country, what city. I love when people are watching me from all over the world. Subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I'll pick a winner from this video. The next one up in the pet niche, specifically for spring, summer, and the hot months of the year. Obviously, we're now in the hot months of the year, is this pet cooling mat. And this one sells very well, all from March, April, all the way to September in all over the world, especially in the United States and Canada. It's a product where you can put your dog on, specifically for dogs that have more coating, like golden retrievers, Labrador retrievers, for example, huskies, or dogs that just tend to have more hair that they can't keep themselves cool in summer. This is definitely a good one. You can put it on the bottom of the dog, especially if your dog is a puppy and they're a little bit more sensitive. They're also suitable for cats if you want to use them for cats. Already made around $16,000 here on AliExpress, and it has potential to do a lot more. I think this product has potential to do 6 figures during this year if the right person picks it up. I've sold pretty similar products to this one for kids, so I think for pets it can also sell pretty well, and I know some of my students have sold this product in the past couple of weeks. Definitely one that has a lot of potential. The next product up, one that is a general, more drop shippy kind of product that is trending very, very well right now, is this Rainbow Sunset Projector. They've already made around $66,000 from this particular AliExpress supplier. And when you see this kind of trend here, for example, you see 16 reviews and 3,641 orders, that gives you a strong indication that this product is getting drop shipped. Last week, when I actually saw this product, it had around 900 orders and about 5 reviews. And I thought this is a good product to start selling. I gave it to my students. Some of them are already selling it in the mentorship program. And I think now it's more and more clear that this product is a winner. Already 2,500 orders in the past couple of weeks with just a couple of reviews. This means people are drop shipping it, not people buying it directly on AliExpress. Whenever you see a product like that, ton of sales, no reviews, somebody's drop shipping it. Or somebody's ordering a bulk order, which is also good. For people that are gamers, if you're selling the gaming niche, definitely a good one. Any type of home decor for kids as well. They come in different colors, and they're also not that expensive if you find a good supplier, like the ones that we talk about here on the channel. And you have other recommended products here that are pretty similar to that one. This one right here, 324 sold. Another one here, 1,620 sold, 489 sold. So definitely a big product that is trending, starting to become a huge 6-figure, 7-figure one. Definitely recommend you start selling it if, again, it fits the type of store that you want to run. The next one up are biking and cycling products. Last year in March and around April, when the whole situation around the world started, I was talking about cycling products, and I said, hey, cycling is gonna be a big niche for this year. It's gonna be a big niche in 2021 as well. And a lot of people took me up on that, started selling cycling products, doing pretty well. This one, again, is another cycling product, which is a saddle bag. And you put it right beneath the saddle of your bike. And you can put this bag right here. You can put pretty much anything you want on there. It's like having a backpack, but on your bicycle. Definitely one that has a lot of potential to sell for people interested in cycling, long distance cycling, or just people, for example, delivering food that are doing it on their bicycle or their motorized bicycle. Has sold about $57,000 here. Definitely potential to be a 6-figure product, and a product that is going to continue selling in this year as well, in this summer, coming up summer. You can put your phone, keep things safe there. You can also build a brand out of this. You can build a brand out of this just saddle bag and create a one product store out of it, create a nice campaign with really good ads. Maybe if you're into cycling yourself, do a custom ad by yourself and absolutely crush it. For the last product up, one that has done pretty well for dropshipping in the past on Facebook. I think it has a lot of potential to sell on Google and YouTube ads as well. Something that people are not looking that much is Makeup Organizer Insert Bag. And you basically, it has sold about $37,000, has been talked about in the dropshipping space for a while, but I think now is the point where it's selling a lot on Google. A lot of people are actually searching for it on Google. Makeup Organizer Insert, or Insert for Makeup Bag. And you can see how it works here. And for YouTube ads as well, it's doing pretty well. I'm actually planning a YouTube ads tutorial very soon. You can put it inside of your bag. This is the internal. And then you put it inside of your makeup bag. So it's basically the makeup bag or the bag that a woman holds. Or if you're a woman, for example, like this, you have the bag right there. And you just put it right in the center so that everything is organized. You know where your stuff is. You know when you need something. You just take it out of the organizer. This is how it looks like when it's very disorganized. With the organizer insert, you just put everything really neatly inside and you can take it whenever you need it. And then it's going to compare clean and orderly versus disorganized. You can definitely do a before and after here on your product page. If you are running Google ads or YouTube ads, you can do it in a video inside of your product page or in a graphic. Before disorganized, after organized, and very neat. Really a good product to sell in this year. If you like these products and are gonna go and get results for them and you want my help and my team's help to actually help you do it and get your results for your Shopify business, just like this student right here who's crushing $2,000 days, very profitable in his Shopify store, absolutely crushing it. If you want my help to do that, you can book a free e-commerce call with the first link in the description. It is a free one-on-one strategy call for 15 to 30 minutes. Let's see if we're the right fit to work together. Let's see if we're the right fit to mentor you and get results for your business and absolutely crush it. Go ahead and book your best time with the first link down below and become a student, become a mentorship student of mine and get you results for your business. Go ahead and take these products and start getting results for your Shopify store. If you want to know how I find products very quickly, again and again and again, and what's my strategy, I made a short video on how I find multiple products and some products that I show on the videos here that are absolutely crushing it. Make sure to watch the video right here, how I find winning products in just a couple of minutes or even seconds, and how you can find them, how to train yourself to find winning products again and again and again. Make sure to click that video right there, subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button down below, and I will see you on the next video.